guys, it's me, Elena. I finally got this little cutie I ordered last year. This is the Azone and DollyBird magazine collaboration from the SugarCups series. The box is an old-style SugarCups box, before Azone started to make closed cardboard boxes where the doll is naked to prevent color transfer from clothes. The whole box is in mint and purple colors. On the front there is a very cute portrait of Candyruru. Around here are flying candies and lollipops. Here it is also noted that this doll is the DollyBird magazine version. Here we can see the Azone and SugarCups series logo. We can also see the SugarCups logo on the top surrounded by white bows. The same portrait of the doll is on the top of the box. On one side we can see Candyruru full height holding her candy bag. It hurts how cute she is. On the other side of the box we see an illustration of the doll, which probably was a prototype of the doll. I think they did a good job bringing it to life. On the back, Candyruru is sitting on the bed in her pink room next to a wooden unicorn. Here is also an explanation about the SugarCups series that is about girls who are so small that they can fit a teacup. And they are! I already unboxed one of them on my channel called Biscuitina, and she is the sweetest. They live in a sugar cup wonderland and love sweets. That's why the whole box is covered with candies and the girls have sweet names. A bit lower, this serious doll body is shown. It is called Piconimo P, and I like it as it looks cute and feels sturdy. Those dolls, as always, are for people from ages 15 years old and up, which is noted on the bottom of the box. I think Candyruru had the most unique hairstyle out of all of the dolls. She has a short haircut with straight bangs. However, behind is a little plot twist. Two thin braids. Aren't they mega cute? They are tightened with transparent strings and curled a bit on the ends. The hair itself is a mix of purple and pink strands. Underneath the head is painted in light purple. Her eyes are very sparkly. They are also of a purple-ish color and have little stars inside them. Her mouth is a tiny, surprised mouth. As usual, the head cap can be taken off and you can replace the eyes with different ones. She is wearing a mint cardigan on the top of her dress. The cardigan has little pink bows on the edges of the long sleeves. The collar is white with pink stitching. It is fastened on the front with one metallic hook. Her dress looks like white blouse and skirt, but actually they are not separated. Top part is white with long sleeves and laces on the edges of them. I probably won't be able to put on her cardigan back without the help of some tweezers. Also, there is a lace around the neck area, and here is my favorite part, little plastic candy decoration. Such a cute little detail. On the front are pink and mint beads. Around the waist is a striped belt looking part which has a big double bow attached to the back made from the same shiny fabric. The skirt part is made of 3 different layers. First is the white net layer with some pink ribbon and white lace decorations. Second layer is mint fabric with colorful candies all around it. Candyruru has proven her name. Third layer is pink net fabric with a gathered part on the bottom which is peeking out a bit from underneath. This dress is fastened from the behind with white velcro. The underskirt is white and made of a very hard net fabric. Multiple net layers are attached to the white fabric base. It is also fastened from the behind with white velcro. Her panties are simple white with a little mint bow on the front. Socks are semi-transparent white. On the top they have white laces. Psst. I have a secret to tell you. I have one more SugarCup doll coming, so don't forget to subscribe not to miss her unboxing. Can you guess who it is? The background inside the box has candy decorations on the top and bottom parts. In the middle is a blurred Candyruru room we saw before on the box. I can even see the same unicorn here. Here is the usual Azone postcard-looking doll information. On the front is our Candyruru hugging her candy. Don't worry, we won't take it from you. On the back is an illustrated set of the doll. Doll maintenance guide as usual could be found online. Beside the colorful card, we get detailed instructions about the doll's body, its characteristics, head cap and eyes. I think it's very useful, especially if it's your first doll or maybe just a SugarCups series doll. With the doll we get a set of hands, very useful. Here are victory sign, fist, pointing finger gesture, holding something hands, and horn gesture or happy gesture. How would you call it? Her headband is very simple compared to some other we saw with other dolls. It's just a big striped bow similar to what we saw on the Candyruru dress. It is attached to a white plastic headband base with white threads. It is not fixed in one place and freely moves around. Here's her little accessory, candy on a chain. I thought it was something like a little bag. However, there is no way to open it and put something inside. It is soft and a bit spongy when I squeeze it. On the front, it has words candy and hearts. Sides are tightened with pink bows. Golden chain is attached to those bows. Doll shoes are very cute. How do they manage to make such teeny tiny ones? They are made of faux leather and are of a mint color. I especially love the little mint balls of the back of the strap. The sole is white plastic and has a familiar Azone logo in the left and right letters. Inside shoes are also white. This Candyruru is a bit different version of Candyruru compared to the one which was released before and was all mostly pink in color. I loved her a lot but decided not to buy. However, as a fan of a purple color, I'm happy now that I skipped the pink version and got this one. Pre-orders for her were open for a long time, so some of you might also got her on a Miami. Or maybe you got her pink version. Please let me know in the comments down below. Love dolls and Kong Kong!